Hello, we're going to do another quick video here. I'm just connected the other cable that I tried to use on the disk drive, the longer one, and to see if it now works. And sure enough, it does not. I'm going to wiggle it some. Nope. This is peculiar. Alright, I'm going to do one other thing. I connected it to the drive. See, these cables can be daisy chained. So the one that was on there, I didn't take off. I put this one on. But now, I will take it off. Get it in position. With nothing in between. Nothing. Alright, well, I'm going to try some deoxit on this thing. And see what's what. But not at this juncture. At this juncture, I'm going to turn off the drive, turn off the computer, and say, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye.